Welcome back again to game development course using Unity3d. In this lesson we'll learn how to download Unity3d from the internet. Now open any browser. I am using Chrome, so I'll use Chrome to surf the internet. Now search for Unity3d. Then you will find its official site unity3d.com. Open the page. At the very top there you can find product, click on it. Now scroll down, click on personal edition. Again scroll down and click on try personal. Accept the term and click on download installer for Windows. For Mac user you can choose Mac OS X. I am using Windows, so I am downloading installer for Windows. Thank you guys, and we'll meet you in the next lecture.